Hi, this is Korhan, one of the worker bees at Apimaye, USA, and we were asked how to put syrup, how to do the feeder settings on an Apimaye nuc. So we're just going to show it to you on our nuc in our backyard. So to access it, we open the latches. Let's see it here. Can you come closer? No, you come closer. Alright, so we open the feeder tops, and this is in the syrup set. This one is currently in the syrup setting. As you can see, there's no exit. There's no way the bees can actually get out to the reservoir. And this one is actually in the fondant setting, where you can see that if I open this, the bees can come up and actually walk out and get the fondant. So since we're going to be adding a liquid, which is in our case we're just adding some water, I'm going to close it. So I'm putting in this setting, adding some water, and then basically close the tops back. Oops. Since we got feeders, we're putting it on the lower latch, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.